Hi friends, welcome to Cooking Craft. This is Sadhana here. And before we go into the recipe, I would like to thank you all for supporting me in this journey. If you like my recipes, kindly share it with your family and friends.
Today's recipe is the same phali. This is also called a kind of beans. It comes into the beans variety. Generally, we can cook the whole thing, but today I'm going to show you a different dish from peeling it like this. Okay, let me show you see the seeds what we have inside. You can see the seeds. I'm going to take out these seeds separately. Okay, this is little tender. I'm going to take out the seeds and I'm going to show you how to make this with some potatoes. And even this skin can be cooked with potatoes and onions. Even this dish I will show you today, two dishes. So let me clean. This is about 75 grams, 275 grams I've taken. So let me show you how to peel it, clean it and cook. Right? And this is the skin that we have taken to cook. Okay. Now this 1 cup of the skin I have taken, the top layer of the beans, and I've taken 1 potato chopped finely and one onion chopped finely, and I've taken the regular masala of dhania powder, haldi powder, red chili powder, oil, some salt for taste, hing, rai and jeera. Okay, mustard and jeera I have taken. Now let's see how to make it. Okay, I'm going to add some oil. Now I'm going to add some mustard and jeera, rai and jeera. Also going to add some hing. At this point I'm going to add the chopped potatoes. Always keep the potatoes in the water, otherwise they turn color. Give it a nice mix. And I'm going to put the lid on it. And we'll cook it on a low flame for a minute. It's about a minute now. At this point, we're going to add the onions. And we'll add all the masalas. Little of haldi powder, little of dhania powder, a little bit of chili as per your taste. You can reduce or you can add. Same with the salt. Give it a nice mix. This vegetable is done very fast and it's very yummy also with your rotis and parathas and all that. So we can also use the seeds in this, but since I'm going to show you a different dish, I have removed the seeds and the skin separately. Okay, now again I'm going to close it for a minute, then we will add the beans to it. It's about a minute now that I have allowed the potatoes to cook. It's about 80% the potato is cooked. Okay, you have to just check it with a spoon. Now we will add the beans to it. You can also add tomatoes if you like. That is again optional. If you want it little gravy type, you can add little tomato. Now again what I'm going to do is, I'm going to close this for a minute on a low flame. It's been about a minute now. So at this point, I'm just going to add just 2 spoons of water. And I'm cooking this on a very low flame. So all the flavor comes out very well. Okay, so now we'll close it for a minute. Then we should be done. Now we are just going to check the potatoes are cooked. Yeah, it's soft. Even the beans is soft. So now we can put off the flame. You can also garnish them with dhania if you have. And enjoy this dish with rotis.